Tonight, we're learning new information in the investigation into the deaths of legendary actor Gene Hackman and his wife. They were found dead in their home last week. Hackman and his wife both tested negative for carbon monoxide poisoning. However, the Santa Fe sheriff says their bodies were found at least 9 days after their deaths, based on Hackman's pacemaker activity. Because of that, experts say an autopsy will be needed to rule out carbon monoxide.
The longer that time goes by without carbon monoxide being tested, the less likely it is to show up. It may have diffused out of the body.
Sources tell ABC News it could be up to 3 months before the results of those autopsies are released.